I left here with a lot of ideas. I learned a lot. Loved you guys' energy and how you presented what you had to offer to us. Your thoughts on why was it important to put this on?
I think that very often there's so many stories that get swept under the rug or people don't pay attention to real stories that are impacting everyday lives. And so a forum like this, by bringing a group together, not just of journalists, but by members of civil society, when we get together and put our heads together and really discuss the issues at hand, you get great perspective, insights, and experience, and you get invigorated and motivated to go out there and tell the stories the right way. So sometimes a forum like this allows us to express ourselves and also reach an understanding of what really needs to be said and how best to say it. So that little spark is what causes the fire to get going.
And you do this all across the region?
Throughout the region. Media Institute of the Caribbean has touched 22 countries in the region, not just English speaking, but also Dutch, French, and Spanish speaking.
Okay.
And we reach all the way down to South America, so Guyana, Venezuela, Panama, Belize, Suriname, all of them, they're part of our network. And we encourage journalists to also work across borders. That collaboration and understanding of what our culture is, who we are as a people, what our day-to-day experiences are, we share commonalities that are unbelievable. So why not bring everybody together? And that's really what we're doing.
This has to be one of the more important interventions we have made in terms of the media development in the Caribbean, because what it did really was to bring together two main elements of the development process in the region. You had the civil society platform or pillar, and you also had journalists who are active in the area. I think that it was important. I see it as very, very important, because so very often we find that there are parallel paths that are being trod by the two sectors, journalism and civil society, when in truth and in fact, they pursue the same developmental objectives.